Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make progress bars in Excel. First, select the cells where you want to display the bars, then go to Conditional Formatting, then Data Bars, and click More Rules. In the new Formatting Rule window, change the minimum type and maximum type to number, set the maximum value to 1, then click OK. Next, select the same cells again and change their number format to percentage. Now let's link the progress bars to actual values. Click on the first cell and in the formula bar, enter equals followed by the corresponding cell. In my case, it's equals D2. Do the same for the next cells, updating the reference accordingly. Now that the bars are linked, let's test it by changing the values in the percentage column. As you can see, the progress bars update dynamically. Found this useful? Smash that subscribe button.